Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought me and my boys are gonna try the food mukbang with you guys, and I'm so excited. Today we've gone for Chinese food. Bear in mind, this is not our first time eating Chinese food, but however, it's our first time trying varieties of Chinese food. It's a foodie time. Okay, today we thought, we go for sweet sour chicken with no veg. Normally it comes with veg, but we are so we love food, so we said no veg so we can get more. And also we've got chicken. This is hot pepper wings. Nice. This is one of my favorite, and one of his, right? You can see his reactions. And another sweet pepper wings. And over here we have ribs. Look at that dripping. Yeah, that's barbecue ribs. We got sweet special fried rice. Yeah. And these we got chow mein, chicken chow mein. And this is another special fried rice. And here we got another plain chow mein. That was chicken chow mein. And here we got the Singapore rice alongside with crackers and dango. And don't forget your bottle of water. Always need your water, right?
Yes.
Joanne, how do you feel?
I feel excited.
So I think my little one's hungry, so let's dish him some food. Where we gonna go? There we go. Here you go, honey. Okay, I'm gonna go for chicken fried rice first. Joelle, what one do you want to go for?
I'm going for the chicken sweet soup.
And I'm gonna try this Singapore rice. And hot wings. Gonna put everything in, and some that. I'm so excited. What do you want? Joel's gone for the special fried rice and the hot sweet and sour chicken. So we're gonna dive. Your bonus. Okay. He's had enough. I'm gonna say
sorry.
Good night. What do you think?
The fried rice tastes good with the sweet and sour chicken
Together, right? The Singapore noodles is amazing. That is really nice. You should try that, Nest. It's literally nice. Now I'm gonna try the hot pepper wings. I know this is my favorite. Let's dive in. This is lovely. Right. Lovely. Joey, you're really enjoying that, aren't you? So I'm gonna go for the special fried rice now. Oh my god, this is spicy. I've never tried the spicy one before. You wanna try it? This is really spicy. Although it's spicy, I'm not a spicy kind of person. I think I might want a little bit more. It's really spicy though. I don't know if I can really taste it, all the flavor in it, just
Can
because
I take the chicken, please?
of course. I don't know if the spice is overpowering the seasonings and stuff like that, but let me try again. So I'm gonna have this sweet and sour sauce on corn style with my special fried rice to see. No. Here, don't forget we've got the crackers. Let me try the combination of that, the sweet and sour chicken with a bit of special fried rice, and see what it tastes like. It works. Do you want to try it? Come on, you can do it. Come on, taste it. It's nice. That was a big bite. But put it all. There we go. I actually like that one. I haven't tried this ever. I've never tried this before. So I don't know. It's nice, but I don't know if they've got orange flavor in there or something. Yeah, I'm gonna try the chicken chow mein. This is lovely.
Can I tell you something? This is my 5th chicken.
Oh dear, you nearly finished all the chicken. This is literally nice. Considering the fact that this is my first time trying it, it's lovely. Do you know what I would like to do? I'm gonna have a bit of water quickly. Joey's having tango and I'm having water. Healthy.
I'm really enjoying the chicken.
I'm actually gonna try my rib sauce with my rice and my noodles, my chow mein. This is really gonna be interesting because I don't know what it tastes like, and I'd like to know because I'm a fan of this sauce already. I'm a big fan right now. So there we go with the rice. Oh my god, this is lovely, guys. Chinese people, I mean, I don't know, the food is nice, the combination is nice. I'm gonna try with the noodles. I'm a big foodie, guys. Like, I love food, and the fact of me seeing different colors. This is lovely. So the sauce literally goes with the fried rice and the noodles. That's a win-win situation for me. Guys, like I said, I'm going to be ordering like a separate sauce from them next time I order my food. And, you know, because it's so nice. It's so nice. And if we don't finish this today, we might carry on tomorrow. We're definitely going to carry on tomorrow because we can't finish this today. Joelle, see how much chicken you've eaten. Try something else. Try that at least, please. You need to eat a little bit more.
I don't like it.
A little bit, just try it. Come on. Let's try it. Try it. I'm trying it as well. This is really nice.
But if I don't like it.
Guys, if you know you want Chinese, you want idea, comment down below. Let me know what your favorite Chinese are. Let's see. Because so far my favorite is the hot pepper wings. And I like this ribs as well. Let me know what you like. Guys, we can't finish all of this today. That's just the truth. But lucky for us, we've got leftovers for tomorrow. Right?